Hello, in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make lamb kofta kebabs. They are absolutely amazing, so stay tuned. Guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make lamb kofta kebabs. It's going to be amazing. So guys, everything that you will need for this recipe is here. Don't worry if you do miss these ingredients, I do put these in the info box below, so check out there for those. And because we are making lamb kofta kebabs, I've also got some lamb mince, which I bought from the butcher shop earlier, and we're going to be using this as the base. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button, so you do know when I'm going to release my next video, which will be really soon. But yeah guys, let's dive straight in, let's make some lamb kofta kebabs. Take a large bowl, and we need to pop our lamb mince into the bowl, just like that. So we're just going to move that to the side for a second. We're going to take our onion and we're going to dice this up as small as we can. So slice it in half, cut off the end, peel it. So now that we've chopped all our onions up, what we need to do is we need to take our lamb and then we need to put our onions into the lamb. So now that all of our onions are in with the mince, what we need to do now, we need to take our garlic bulb, we need to take a couple of cloves out of here. And all we're going to do is mince these up. Into our mix. So now that we've got our lamb mince, our onion and our garlic in there, what we need to do is we need to put our spices in there as well. So I'm going to take a pestle and mortar. We're going to add in our allspice, our mace, and our sumac. What we're going to do is just grind that up. Get all those lovely flavours. The allspice, mace, which is like a delicate nutmeg, and of course the sumac. So once it resembles a nice fine powder like that, we're just going to take our mix and we're just going to pour that in, just like that. So there's just a couple more ingredients that we need to put into our mix. So let's get a small bunch of parsley, just roll that up, and all we're going to do is just chop that fine. And then we have our chopped parsley. What we're going to do now is put that into our bowl. So we're going to take our bowl and we're just going to add a nice generous pinch of salt in there as well. Put a little bit more. Lovely. Now is just mix it up for fingers. So now it's all mixed up, we'll pop our bowl down and portion it into 4 balls. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try and make them a little bit more even. So we've got 4 even portions of our lamb kofta mix. What we're going to do is we're going to flatten these out and put these on to our long skewers. There we have 1 lamb kofta skewer. So we're going to take our plate again and we're just going to put our lamb skewer on our plate. I'm just going to repeat with the other 3. So yeah guys, now that they're all done, I'm going to put these in the fridge. I'm going to let them firm up for about half an hour to 3/4 an hour. I'm going to preheat my hot stone, get my blowtorch, and we're going to flame grill them on the hot stone. It's going to be amazing. So I've pulled these out of the fridge. They've been in there for about 45 minutes to set. I've got a hot stone that's been in my oven, that's been heating up as well for 45 minutes. We're going to pull that stone out of the oven, we're going to put these on, and we're going to cook these over a flame from a blowtorch. So yeah guys, that's how you make lamb kofta kebabs cooked on a hot stone. Really cool, really tasty, and I can't wait to tuck into these. So guys, really hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which is every Thursday and Sunday at 8 o'clock. In the meantime guys, take care of yourselves and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. And we're going to flame grill these. Say it's flame grilled? Not sure, flame torch.